Stop. Don't scroll another inch. Look at the screen and listen very carefully. Right now, what is the exact color of your front door? See it in your mind. See the handle. See the texture. Good. Notice how your brain just jumped out of its loop to find the answer. You just took the remote control back from your anxiety. While you're holding that remote, take a deep breath. Hold it. And as you exhale, let your jaw go completely slack. The story you were telling yourself just stopped. You aren't in the past. You aren't in the future. You are right here, staring at the screen, totally in charge. Feel that quiet spread from your head to your toes. Double tap to like this reset. Now